Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to be decorating for Halloween. I got a lot of requests to do this video, so me and Bradley slapped on the camera as we were decorating our apartment for Halloween. So I thought I'd give you a look inside all of our decor. So this is a decorate with us / decor tour. I hope you like it, so let's get to it. So first things first, we are prepping by unloading our Halloween bins, and this video is actually sponsored by Audible, so we were going to link up my phone to my speaker so we can listen as we decorate. And we've really been wanting to listen to I'll Be Gone in the Dark, which is a book about the Golden State Killer. Once we get more into it, it might be too scary for me, but I at least wanted to try. But Audible is actually offering a free 30-day trial where you get one free audiobook if you go to audible.com/Amy or text Amy to 500-500. It's a really fun time of the year to listen to murder mysteries or Halloween books. I was very excited to see a Hocus Pocus book, but I love Audible. There's an app, there's a website, they have an unmatched selection of audiobooks, and I just love Audible, so I wanted to share the love. So I will have all the info linked down below if you want to check it out, but we're listening to I'll Be Gone in the Dark as we decorate today. So again, as you can see, we are just unloading our bins. We have a few bins. We keep some of them in the den, some in the garage downstairs, but they're pretty organized, and I'm just trying to make piles of where things go because I kind of have an idea of like what's in the living room, the bedroom, the kitchen, so on and so forth. And I am slapping up some decorations where I know they go, but here's just an overlook of the box of fun, as I like to call it. A lot of this stuff is from my childhood, so it just is instant happiness. I also keep some of the more like delicate candle things in this cabinet, which if you're ever interested to see what's in this cabinet, now you're seeing it. It's a lot of like Halloween and Christmas decor. Got some Easter stuff, some summer stuff, backup candles. And a lot of this is from my childhood, and it just makes me so happy. Like, this frame right now is just giving me life. So a lot of pumpkins, a lot of orange. I got these little tiny candles from a Halloween shop, and I love it. And this little ceramic glass pumpkin was my favorite decoration as a child. And I also got these little pumpkins in the dollar spot at Target, and I thought those were super cute. So a lot of this stuff that's more new is from Target, Home Goods, that sort of thing. So again, we are just unloading, unwrapping. I do like to keep some of the more delicate items in the bins in bubble wrap. So right now we're working on the mantle portion. Bradley's always in charge of like the 3-tiered pumpkins, and we actually have these skeleton lights, which I'm so sad to say, but once we finally got them up and running, 3 of them did not light up, so Bradley did all this work for nothing, and then we took them down. We didn't throw them away because Bradley thinks he can maybe replace the light bulbs, but these were just cheapos from Target. They're actually made for like your front lawn, but Bradley loved them so much that he like cut out foam board, spray painted them black, and he like lines them up in front of the fireplace, and it actually looks pretty cool, but it didn't look cool when only 2 of them lighted up. Not lighted, lit up. Oh, look at my Bradley. So he's doing all this work for nothing, but he doesn't know that yet. So yeah, he's just lining them up in front of the fireplace. And yeah, he plugs that in to the wall as well. And then here's just a look at the mantle. I have my candy corn trees. I have my 3 little tombstones that I got at Disneyland a really long time ago. Madame Leota is obviously my favorite, but I just love them. And I got these little pumpkin candles in a set of like 5 at Michael's a really long time ago or something. Then I have my salt lamp and my other candy corn tree, and these were actually a gift from my mom last Christmas. So then I am just setting up a few candles and a little pumpkin, and then I'm going to work on top of the entertainment system. I took down most of the picture frames, and then I am going to Swiffer it really quick just because, you know, you want to decorate on a clean base because I won't be cleaning up there with all the crap on top. So just thought I'd Swiffer. And then I kind of just tried to recreate what I did last year, but it's a lot of like trial and error, setting things up, stepping back to see how you feel about it. But I have my glittery pumpkins that I got at Target a really long time ago. I got these tiny pumpkins last year at Target, putting up some of my childhood Pottery Barn candles that my mom passed down to me, a little mayor plush from Nightmare Before Christmas, and then of course that middle piece with the cat inside the pumpkin. And then we're moving into the bedroom. We're putting some more of those tiny pumpkins on top of my little armoire thing, and then I have this really cute little kitty cat pumpkin that everybody asks me about. Again, it was passed down from my mom, so I can't share. I have a vampire blood candle and then a little Coraline doll, which I love. Then we were deciding on pillows, but we decided we wanted the candy corn one in the living room, but I love my spider eyelash one. And then in the bathroom, we only put a few subtle touches. I have this really tiny little jack-o'-lantern candle, and then I put the little dollar spot pumpkins in there. I just thought the color vibes were really nice, and they come in a lot of different colors, and I just thought this looked good. So that's the bathroom decorations. Now moving on to like the back side of the living room, I always set up these little guys on this piece of furniture. This is just my favorite piece of furniture. It just always makes me so happy, and these make me happy too. So I put those there, and then behind the couch I have my little fingernail candles, which gross people out, but I love them. And again, my mom passed those down to me, so they just remind me of my childhood. And then I have this bitchin' Dracula that makes this noise. So he's pretty freaking bitchin' and one of the best things from my childhood that my mom let me have. And then I have this tiny pumpkin candle in this spooky looking candlestick. Then we have our felt pumpkin mats on our kitchen table. They've seen better days, but they're still pretty. Oh, and I got this pretty Kate Spade vase as a wedding gift, and I just put that in the middle. Then for the kitchen, you already saw me put the baby pumpkin and Mr. Toad's hand in my latest Trader Joe's haul. I have this apple pumpkin candle from Yankee Candle, which smells amazing. I have my Mrs. Meyer's fall stuff out, which looks like decor in itself. And then I have this really cute trick or treat sign that I got last year at Home Goods. I will link last year's Halloween decor haul up in the corner. I have my pumpkin Dutch oven from Pioneer Woman, this little Mickey figurine, and then this little candy dish that I'll probably put Reese's Pieces in next time I go to the store. And that's it for the kitchen, and that's it for the apartment. So I hope you guys enjoyed this decorate with us / decor tour. Let me know your favorite place to buy decorations for Halloween and Christmas and all that stuff. But I love you guys. Thank you again to Audible for sponsoring this video. I again will have the links down below. You should definitely check it out and get yourself a free audiobook. But I love you guys. I'll see you very soon with a new video. Follow me on Instagram for wedding updates because they're coming really soon. Okay, love you guys. Bye.